Hello everyone! In today's video, we'll show you how to transfer a WhatsApp backup from Google Drive to iCloud. Let's get started. There's no direct way to transfer a WhatsApp backup from Google Drive to iCloud, so we'll use a third-party software called Mobiletrans. Here's how to do it. First, on your web browser, search for Mobiletrans and open the first link from the search results. On the website, click the free download button to start the download process. Once the file is downloaded, open the downloaded installation file by double-clicking on it, and then agree to the terms and conditions to proceed with the installation. After the installation is complete, open Mobiletrans. On the main page of Mobiletrans, select your desired WhatsApp type and click on the Transfer button. Make sure both your Android phone and iPhone are connected to the computer. The software will automatically detect both phones. Once everything is set up, click on the Start button to begin the transfer process. It will take a few moments to transfer your WhatsApp backup. And that's it. You have successfully transferred your WhatsApp backup from Google Drive to iCloud. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching.